On August 22nd, a new packaging line for wines and spirits was commissioned by Namibia Breweries. According to the company's managing director, Peter Simmons, the new line cost $337 million. According to Simmons, the investment will enable the company to bottle new brands of wine and cider in the local market, including Tassenberg, Castello, Granada, Savannah, and Hunters. The introduction of the new wine line strengthens the portfolio and allows the country to offer a more diverse range of breweries beyond beer, including wine, cider, spirits, and even low and non-alcoholic options, explains Simons. He also points out that NNB's operational merger with South African spirits producer Distil is linked to this strengthening of NNB's capacities. These two companies were acquired in 2023 by Dutch brewer Heineken, which decided to merge them with Heineken South Africa to form a new company called Newco. In 2023, NBL reported a 12% growth in sales to $4 billion. Beer leads the company's sales, accounting for 90% of revenues.